my friends, it has been a while. I'm here back again doing a get ready with me video. As you can see, I have a little change in my life. If you follow me on social media, you will see that actually last week I went in for a chop and it was like a cute little shaggy chop. And then I'm just gonna start getting ready while I'm talking to you. Everything I'm using will be in the description of the video below. I'm not gonna tell you what it is as I'm doing it. Anyways, so I went in for a chop and it was this short little choppy chop and I liked it, but then I was like, you know what, I wanted a little shorter in the back and I wanted it like a kind of extreme A-line cut, like really short, like this short in the back, but as long as it was in the front. Trying out this new Huda Beauty foundation today. She keeps sending me foundations, so I'm gonna keep using them. So anyways, I went back to my girl Stephanie at London Lights Studio in Long Beach. But when she started cutting it, she was like, you know what, if we don't cut some off the front, it's going to be like really extreme. And I was like, I don't want to look like T-Boz from TLC. So she cut some off the front. And so here we are. This is my length now. And I love it. And it's sassy. And because I have something new happening on my head, I thought we would do a get ready with me. So today I'm actually going to leave my hair straight like it is because I rarely, and by rarely I mean pretty much never, wear my hair straight. I think this is kind of like a whole new foray into straight hair because my hair is bobbed now. But I haven't done a get ready with me in general in a while, and I haven't talked to you guys in a while, and I've gotten all this new makeup to play with. I actually got this new Laura Mercier concealer and I absolutely love it. I generally like concealers that come in little tubes like this, and usually these are too cakey, but I find that when I apply it with my Smashbox concealer brush, it does the trick. And then I can go back in with my finger and just like tap it in any places that I still have dark circles. So for anybody that has dark circles and they need a good under eye concealer that's not cakey, I highly suggest this one. It doesn't crease like creamy concealers do, and that's why I really like it, because with my old lady eyes, I have to be really careful about creasing. So I cover most of my under eye, and then with my finger, I just boop, 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 go in and dab on the dark spots. I'm also using this new powder. My friend, Mr. Patrick Starr, sent me this. It's from his new One Size cosmetic line. I think they sell it at Sephora. And I do really like this powder, especially for setting my under eyes. So I am very excited. I don't know if you guys can tell how nice my texture has gotten. I used to have a really bumpy texture and, you know, my fine lines were settling in. Obviously I'm wearing foundation right now, but no Photoshop. This is just my skin in front of some lights. I know I've talked about it before, but I've been getting Clear and Brilliant treatments from Laser Away, and I just had my 4th treatment done last week, and I love it. It's really helping my texture. It's also really helping my hyperpigmentation. I have it like really bad around my hairline. I keep going to do this with my hair to put it over my shoulder. Doesn't work like that anymore, lady. I'm gonna bring it closer so you can see what I'm doing. Please do not judge my allergies. Please also do not judge my chipped nail polish. I have a skincare studio in Glendale, California, but I actually just started opening my books for permanent cosmetics, and I've been tattooing brows, and once I opened my books, my schedule went crazy, so I've been tattooing brows nonstop. Problem when you're tattooing is that you're wearing gloves, and so when you're wearing normal nail polish and you have all the moisture inside of your gloves and your sweaty ass hands, nail polish doesn't want to stay. So that is why my nail polish looks so abysmal, but you know what? That means I'm working, and I'll take it. I got these palettes by Too Faced. They're so cute. It was like a little foursome of these guys. This is the Let's Play. It's scented. So today I'm actually going to be doing a nude lip because I was looking back through all of my get ready with me's and I realized that I haven't done a nude lip in a long time. So I'm going to go, I don't know, like kind of shimmery with my eyes because I feel like I said so on the boss. I am going to do liner today because I am doing nude lips, but I've been digging this whole no liner look recently. I've just been doing like cool sort of bronzy eyeshadow and then heavy mascara and no liner. Maybe that will be a get ready with me for the future. If you want to see that in the future, let me know. I've kind of finally come to the realization that I will never be a makeup influencer. I'm never gonna turn my face into a piece of fruit or a scene from a movie or a famous painting. It's just not in me. I do not have the, I have artistry, but I do not have the artistry that some of these amazing makeup influencers have. So if you want to come to my page and hang out with me, have some laughs, and maybe see some pretty makeup. Of course, I turn everything off in my house, the washer and dryer, the air purifier, and then the gardener starts, and I have no control. Also, usually when I do my after pictures, James takes them for me, but he is away working today. So I'm going to be taking my own after photos on a tripod outside. My neighbors have to be used to me by now, but they probably think I'm a wackadoo. Ooh, that's party. It's so funny, it never quite translates onto video as pretty as it looks in person. I'm feeling myself. I've been doing my eyebrows the same way now for like over a year, and I'm just like them, so I'm probably not going to change how I do them. I use 2 different colors of Precisely My Brow and Ready Set Brow Gel. That's it. Oh, you guys, I have really exciting news. I got vaccinated. I got the first and second dose of the vaccine. I am very, very excited. So apparently what has been happening, ooh, that is a scraggly ass eyebrow. Maybe I should trim my eyebrows. With vaccines, a lot of them have to be frozen. And so once an appointment is made, they take them off ice. And so if the person no-shows for their appointment, they don't have a system right now for like standby lists. Well, some are starting to make them, but there isn't a good system right now in most places. LA doesn't have them. So there is a clinic that my friend's sister works at, and she, a couple months ago, was like, hey, if you can get down here in like an hour, you can get the vaccine, because there were extra doses from people no-showing. So I got the first dose, and then this week I got the second dose, and I am officially vaccinated. The vaccine makes your arm very, very, very sore. James had it too, and he did not have any arm soreness at all. So with the first dose, I had a sore arm, he had nothing. And then like the night of the vaccine, I felt a little queasy, just like a little barfy. I didn't barf or anything, but that was it. Like with the first dose, I didn't have any other side effects. With the second dose, it was the same sore arm. Oh, and my tummy was like a little bubbly the first night, just felt like kind of gassy and uncomfortable. And James, again, didn't feel any arm pain. I think like the next day he was like mega tired. I didn't have anything. I've had headaches, but I get migraines anyways, and so I don't know if that was because of the vaccine or just because it's just my brain. If anybody wants to book with me, book to get some brows tattooed or a facial or skincare or vintage glam or any of that fun stuff, my website is skinbycherokee.com, and you can just go there and book. And if you want to see my work, follow me on Instagram at skinbycherokee. I just feel like when I do a nude lip, I have to do some sort of liner. Otherwise, it just looks more like a natural look. Also, my friends, if you have not been listening to my podcast, I have had some of the most interesting guests. This week, I have Kelly Eden on talking about what it's like to be a professional artist. She's actually a fine artist. I also had pinup doll Ashley Marie, Miss Victory Violet, I had my best friend on talking about pregnancy loss. And then I also, every other week, I just talk about my own topics. So it's fun. If you guys want to take a listen, it is called The Unconventional Gal, Forging Your Own Path, and it is pretty much anywhere you find podcasts. It's really hard to do my eyeliner and talk. Okay. Those are brand new. I haven't even worn those yet. I'm gonna go back to my old trusty Midnight Luxe. They're my house of lashes. I've worn these so many times. They're like still in perfect condition. I've seriously been using this same pair of lashes. I know for over a year because I was using them when we were doing our makeup stuff in school, and that was over a year ago. Yeah, these kind of lashes are expensive. I think they're like 15 or 16 bucks a pair. But they last so long. Like you can go buy a pair of Ardell lashes for $4 and they'll start to fall apart after maybe like 4 or 5 wears. These suckers, as long as you take care of them, you don't put mascara on over them, and you peel the glue off, like this sucker looks like a brand new lash. I actually have a drawer full of eyelashes, and I haven't used any of them because I keep reusing the same. It's like the old punk rock in me that's like, I was broke for so long that, like, I remember when I was a teenager, my parents moved away when I was 15, so I was on my own pretty young. So I was broke, and I remember buying packs of gum, like sticks of gum, and tearing the sticks in half to make them last longer. Okay, my friends, now it's time for some lips. This is another, Laura Mercier has been sending me a lot of stuff lately, so I'm just using it. This is Laura Mercier Hazelnut Tea Lip Liner. So I'm doing a gloss, also I think Laura Mercier. I swear this is not a sponsored video. It's called Blush, and I really like the color. So I'm just gonna fill in my lips' natural color a little bit. I don't want to like look like I'm wearing lipstick, so I'm just gonna fill in where I need it and then just give it a rub. I usually do this under gloss because if you can see from this side to this side, I don't have a lot of color in the outside of my lip. So with gloss, it doesn't give me enough color to hold the shape, but that's why I rub it in so that it doesn't look like a solid line. And then a little gloss. I'm actually really excited for this because my lips are really dry. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like cake frosting. Oh my gosh, this matches my eyeshadow perfectly. Okay, hair. So I think I'm just gonna tease the back up a little bit, and that's it, and brush it. So hold on a second, I'll be right back. Ta-da! Beauty of short hair. It's so bad, it literally took me like 2 minutes. So I just teased up the back, smoothed the front, and here we go. Now I'm gonna change into my outfit and show you my final look. Alright, that's it. That is my get ready with me. I hope you like my new look. I hope you like my new haircut. Definitely check out Laser Away. Check out all the cosmetics I used. Check out my podcast. Check out my skincare website and company. That's it. If you guys want to see more get ready with me's, let me know. Maybe I will do my current eye look with no eyeliner. Let me know. Everybody take care. Hope you're all well. Mwah.